Hi students, welcome you all. This is Kiran Kumar, Maths Faculty IIT Already know me guys very well. Yes guys, this is Kiran who took Unacademy JEE YouTube classes for last 1 year. From last 1 year I was taking classes. iGenius Online Academy, an exemplary learning community where you can learn maths for free. And here I will be teaching you IIT JEE mains and advanced level classes. Not only those guys, in different competitive exams also you require maths. Those classes and questions will be discussed myself. This is Kiran Kumar T. I'm a maths faculty for IIT JEE mains and advanced level. I have done my post-graduation from IIT Madras. My unique way of teaching is by strengthening the basis of the students. I will take the student to mains and advanced level. I have total 2 years of experience. I taught in different institutions all over India. Yes guys, please follow the Telegram channel link also, where I can share you the live streaming links also. So in the Telegram channel, so whenever I will be launching a new class, then definitely the links will be provided in the Telegram channel. So that's why please follow the Telegram channel, which is given in the description box. Please click on that and join that channel such that you won't miss any YouTube classes guys. One more property is also there. Maybe the formula is not that important because you may won't remember the formula, but the procedure in which way we are going to prove, that is very important guys. Okay, first one in this, first one is a cos theta comma plus b sin theta is equal to c. A cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. Then what is the value of a sin theta minus b cos theta? The questions will be like this. If 2 cos theta plus 5 sin theta is equal to c, then what is the value of a sin theta minus b cos theta? The question, I'll write the question now. Question will be like this. If p cos theta plus 4 sin theta is equal to some 4. 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta is equal to 4, or instead of 4 I'll write 2. Then what is the value of? Then find 4 cos theta minus 3 sin theta is equal to how much? This is the question. So what is the answer for this? How to solve? So let me give you the proof for this, then definitely you can write an answer for this. So here a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c, then what is the value of this? So let us take that a sin theta minus b cos theta as some k. A sin theta minus b cos theta as k guys. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll write it as a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to k. So these are the two equations. We took this as k. Then what I'll do, I'll take square on both the sides. Square on both the sides and add. What to do? After squaring on both the sides, these two equations we are going to add. Let me first of all square on both the sides. Then what you get? Squaring of this is what? A cos theta plus b sin theta whole square is equal to c square. Similarly, this is a cos theta, sorry, not cos theta, a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square is equal to k square. Now from here what you get? A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab into sin theta cos theta is equal to c square. Similarly, this one also that a square sin square theta it is plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta is equal to k square. So we are going to add these two. When you add these two, this and this get cancelled. and we'll be left with what? A square cos square plus A square sin square. Take A square common, then it is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So here also B square common, then you get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to, this is C square plus K square. So let us remove this question such that we get some place here. Okay guys, after that cos square plus sin square is 1, sin square plus cos square is 1 by the identity. So what you get here, A square plus B square is equal to C square plus K square. So from here what is K square? Bring this C square to left side. K square is nothing but A square plus B square minus C square. So K is nothing but plus or minus square root of A square plus B square minus C square. Here this is A square plus B square minus C square. That is the value of K square. So remember like this is the order. A square, B square, C square. A square plus B square minus C square. That is the order guys. So remember this formula. So just if I tell you what is the formula, then definitely you are going to forget tomorrow. That's why I told you what is the property, how we got. That's why I told you the proof. Okay guys, now I think you can remember how to do. Just what I did, whatever the question he asked to know, that question I took it as K. I took this as K. So I got the second equation. First equation, second equation. I squared on both the sides. I squared on both the sides. Then what I did, just I added both the equations. When I add, these two get cancelled. When I add these two get cancelled, then we get A square common, cos square plus sin square, B square common, cos square plus sin square is equal to C square plus K square. Identity, by the identity, the value is 1, the value is 1. So we get A square plus B square equal to C square plus K square. So K square is equal to A square plus B square minus C square. So if I ask you the question directly, you can tell me the answer. Okay, so by the same way, whatever the way here I ask, no, same way I am going to ask you a question. Question is, if it is 3 sin theta plus, not sin theta, okay, cos theta. Why? Because same formula I am going to ask you. 3 cos theta, 4 sin theta is equal to 5. Then find A. What is A here? 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta is equal to how much? So directly what is the answer guys? Directly answer is K square is equal to order. A square plus B square minus C square. B square plus 4 square minus 5 square, which is nothing but 0. So K square is equal to 0, then K is equal to also 0. Square. Similarly, I am going to give you 2 more formulas which we are going to prove now. First one is, if A secant theta plus B tan theta is equal to C, then A tan theta plus B secant theta value is how much? This is the question. Similarly, one more property is also there. That is, in terms of secant and tan is over now. Now it is in terms of cosecant and cot. A cosecant theta plus B cot theta is equal to C. Then what is the value of A cot theta plus B cosecant theta? See here, in the previous one, in the previous class, what I told you, that is plus here and minus here. But here in this case, both are plus and plus only. Is how much? So directly we have formula for this. What is formula? This is nothing but plus or minus. I am writing in a different color. Plus or minus square root of, there we got A square plus B square minus C square. But here it is C square plus B square minus A square. Same thing for this also. This is nothing but plus or minus square root of C square plus B square minus A square. Sir, how to prove? Now I am going to prove the first one. Similarly, you can prove the second one also. Okay? So second one is homework for you guys. The first one I am going to prove. Okay? Right. So how to do? First of all, whatever he has given, a secant theta plus b tan theta is equal to c. I'm writing it. And what we do, we take this as some k. A tan theta plus b secant theta is equal to, we'll take k. Let it as k. Okay. So what we do, square on both the sides. Square on both the sides. Then what you get? A secant theta plus b tan theta whole square is equal to c square. Similarly, a tan theta plus b secant theta whole square is equal to k square. Then what happens here? This is a square secant square theta plus a square tan square theta plus 2ab into secant theta into tan theta. Okay, is equal to c square. Similarly, this one is a square into tan square theta plus, this is not a square guys, this is b square, sorry. So b square into secant square theta plus 2ab into secant theta tan theta is equal to k square. In the previous problem, what we did, we have subtracted in the previous class. But now what we do, subtracted, there we have subtracted. Here also what we do, we are going to subtract it to get the identity and the cancellation. Here we have added. That's why we got the answer. But here we are going to subtract. Why we have added? There we got here plus and here minus we got there in the previous one. But here we got both plus and plus. That how to cancel them? By taking minus. That's why subtract them. Minus, 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 minus. So these two get cancelled. Now what you get here, a square into, if you take a square common, then this is secant square minus tan square, secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now from these two, I'll take b square common, then this is tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to c square minus k square. Already we know the identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is how much guys? 1. Where theta should not be odd multiple of pi by 2. It should not be 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Why? Because tan theta range, in the domain or secant theta domain, the theta can't be 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. I told you when I taught you that domain and range, the domain of secant and tan are same. What are the domains? All the real numbers except odd multiple of pi by 2. So that's why for the identity also we should mention this. Okay. Now what is the value of this? Plus 1. What is the value of this? Minus 1. So we are going to replace them with plus 1 and minus 1. We get plus a square minus b square is equal to c square minus k square. From here, what is k square guys? Bring this k square to right side, left side, and bring these two to right side. Then what you get? C square plus b square minus a square. So from here, k is nothing but plus or minus square root of c square plus b square minus. That's what I have written here. And the same thing for the second one also guys. Yes guys, do you have any doubt till now? Here too also on this I am going to give a problem now. Please solve that question. If two secant theta plus pi tan theta is equal to 4. Then find 2 tan theta plus 3 secant theta is equal to how much? Yes, this is the question guys. What is the answer? Here in reverse case. In this case, we should come in reverse.
First A secant coefficient is A, tan coefficient is B is equal to constant. Then answer is what? Reverse way. Means first C square plus B square minus A square. It should come in reverse way. But for A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to C, then what you did? You came from the right side from left to right, but here right to left. Okay. So C square plus B square minus A square. So B is nothing but what? Coefficient of tan. You should remember that. Okay, guys. So maybe you get plus or minus 227. Okay, we'll see that. Got? Try the question. Yes. So if you take this value as k, then k is equal to how much? Plus or minus square root of c square plus b square minus a square. So k is nothing but plus or minus square root of c square means 4 square plus b square is 5 square minus a square is 2 square. So k is equal to plus or minus square root of 16 plus 25 minus 4. So k is equal to plus or minus square root of, this is 21, this is 16. So 16 plus 21. K is equal to plus or minus square root of 37.